any introduction. We got here a Delorean. It's a time machine, Back to the Future conversion. Okay. Start off with the car. The car itself's got 12,000 original miles. Very, very well kept. The stainless steel is excellent shape. There's no dings, no dents. Underneath, excellent shape, no rust. Everything's well preserved, and it's been mechanically gone through. It's got new tires, it's got new calipers, it's got a new stainless steel coolant reservoir. I replaced all the fuel lines with stainless steel braided fuel lines, which was the #1 cause of these things going on fire. You don't want to drive original fuel lines in these things. They crack, they break, and they leak. Mechanically, I did go through it, so you can drive it. The thing drives good. Now get to the Back to the Future side of things real quickly, because I don't want to make this a long, drawn-out video. I did buy this about 6 months ago, and it was a Back to the Future conversion car. However, it was more of a budget type conversion car. I took it in my shop, stripped it all down, and made it for what it is today, as you see. It's a much more highly detailed, very accurate build. And I'll just come closer and I'll just give you a quick rundown on the inside. Got all original prop parts used, as you've seen in the movie. Everything works just as you see. I put a new circuit board. These are the instructions to how to work the time circuits. All the time circuits do work, if you want to get a view of that. And this wall back here, it's a 3-piece wall. To start with the back, I stripped everything that was on here, started fresh, started over from scratch. First thing I did was I removed the back window. This was a laser cut window, aluminum cut, it's watertight, water sealed. I got all the hockey pucks here. These are all of our metal hockey pucks. We got the capacitors, the correct color-coded wires, all soldered. These are oil separators. These are real. These are not molds. It's metal. This is an actual real aviation style compression fitting. That's not a mold. That's real. This is a janitrol. These were heaters used back in like helicopters, but this is a mold. This is not an actual janitrol, but it's a mold. That's the Sikorsky tube, that orange tube. That is a mold from an original one. Those are super hard to find. We come around to this side. We get the Diamond Select Mr. Fusion. This is a real Diamond Select Mr. Fusion, and it does work. Comes with the original box right here. The paint is original on the front bumper and the back bumper. Got the fog machine back here. We got some little fog lights. When you come around, you see the detail on this side. These are zero cans. They're lightweight. They're not molds. Green tubes. Did them all right. Put the right fittings. We get the fittings at the end. All the wires. Everything's correct. We got the wormhole emitter. And we got Einstein right there. He comes with the car, comes with the seal. Again, everything works in here. The plutonium gauges, flux capacitor, get a good look at that. Okay, now if you want to come out here, the important thing is to note here is all these wires. I did put the purple clamps. I did replace, I took all the flux bands off. The cool white LEDs. The brushed stainless steel is in excellent shape. Again, very, very, very straight. All the weather stripping, it's all been replaced as well. All the front lights work. The tires, again, are brand new. The rims are in excellent shape. No dings, no dents. 12,000 mile real Delorean. Excellent shape. I did replace some of the fuses and some of the relays, weight away some of the electronics. It does have a new battery that actually functions the car. It's got the new upgraded alternator as well, which is very important in these. And it's got 3 separate deep cycle Duracell batteries. They're marine batteries that run the electronics. The electronics in the car that you see on the exterior do not touch any of the electronics from the main battery. This also has a shut-off switch remote on the key itself. You can on and off to disengage the main battery so it doesn't die. The fog machine works. One last thing, any here. We got the fog machine, we got the batteries, we got the inverter that runs the fog machine. Comes with the sports almanac, we got the hat. You guys see the sneakers, it comes with that. And guys, I think that should do it. I'm gonna just do this quick, just to give you a quick rundown. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, ask me anything you need to ask, and I'll answer the best I can. But again, I took 6 months and redid this whole thing and made it as accurate as I could. And I want to thank 3 great people. Patrick Shea, I appreciate you, buddy. You could see him featured on Expedition, Back to the Future. He was on Discovery Channel. He's got like one of the largest Back to the Future collections. And he steered me along the direction with 2 other great people. Pete Verga, he gave me a list of all the things I need to replace. And Brett Egan, man, you're the best. He supplied me with all the parts. Guys, if you're looking to build a Delorean Time Machine, Brett Egan is the guy. He's got all these parts needed to build a time machine replica. That's it, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys, I appreciate it, good luck, and we'll talk soon. Take care.